why most busy women stay stuck, and how to finally launch your home business. You've watched the videos, downloaded the freebies, made notes about perfect business ideas, but your laptop is still closed, your document is still blank, and you're still exactly where you started 3 months ago. Sound familiar? Keep watching because I'm showing you exactly why this happens, and the one shift that gets busy women like you actually launching in 2026. Hey there! So if you haven't already noticed, I'm Isabel's AI avatar, while the real me is probably taking care of my special needs daughter or helping women launch their online businesses from home inside my membership, Home Biz Builders. But everything I'm sharing comes straight from Isabel's real journey, and it's built for real life, not perfect life. Before we jump in, I made a free video training to help you copy this simple system. It's called Save Big While Selling Digital Products with the Right Tools, and you also get my digital product Lean Launch Toolkit action guide, so you can follow the steps and build your setup right away. You can grab free access using the link below this video, and I'll pin it in the first comment too. Now let me ask you something. You know exactly what I'm talking about, right? That feeling where you spend 2 hours researching the perfect niche, 3 days making Pinterest boards of logos and color schemes, an hour or more finding the right Canva template, another week outlining a 10-module course before you've made $1, hours watching tutorials about tools you don't even need yet. And here's something else I see all the time. You don't need a full website yet. You need one simple page that can actually sell your offer. Then life happens. Kids need you. Someone gets sick. You're tired, and that half-finished Google Doc becomes your digital guilt trip. So why does this keep happening to smart women like you? Here are the 3 reasons. Reason number 1 is perfectionism dressed as preparation. You think, if I just learn one more thing, then I'll be ready. But here's the reality, you'll never feel ready. Real women launch messy first drafts. Reason number 2 is the qualification myth. You tell yourself, I need to be an expert first. The truth is, your future customer just needs someone step ahead who understands her problem. Reason number 3 is overwhelmed by choice. During your research, you found 12 different funnel softwares, 47 digital product ideas, endless social media strategies, and you end up freezing instead of picking one path and walking it. But the reality is that you don't need to be on every platform. Just start with one you can be consistent with. And let me tell you what staying stuck really costs you. Every month, you stay in planning mode, your confidence shrinks a little more, your bank account doesn't grow, that dream of being home with more flexibility slips further away, and someone else takes the action you wanted to take. But here's the good news. What separates women who actually make money from women who stay stuck is actually pretty simple. They pick one problem another woman once solved, one simple solution they can create this week, and one page to sell it on. And that's exactly what your 3-day launch roadmap is all about. Let me walk you through it step by step. Day 1 is called Pick and Promise. Choose one problem you already help people solve, even informally. Examples: I help overwhelmed moms plan their week. I organize family meals without waste. I keep my home clean in 30 minutes a day. Pick the one you could talk about for 30 minutes without notes. Then make one promise like, in 15 minutes, you'll have a system that makes your next week feel calm and clear. Day 2 is called Creating Canva. Open Canva, pick a workbook or planner template. Fill 7 pages with your simple system, export as PDF. Price it at $17 or $27, which is low enough for an impulse buy and high enough to be taken seriously. Day 3 is called One Page in System.io. You log into System.io, go to Sales Funnels, then click Create and select Sell. Use their simple sales page template. Add a problem headline, 3 bullet point results, a Canva mockup of your PDF, and one buy button. Save it and you're done. This is the exact process I used when I first started. When I finally stopped planning and launched my first simple product, everything changed. I got momentum, I learned what actually worked for my audience, and from there I could make smart tweaks and improve my digital product. So, what does all this mean for you? You don't need to be perfect. Your first product doesn't need to be 50 pages. Your sales page doesn't need to have fancy animations. You don't need any testimonials yet. All you need is one clear problem plus one clear solution, and this equals sales. Now let me break down the math behind this so it actually makes sense, because these are not random numbers. They come from real broad online benchmarks that still apply for beginners on a micro budget. Here's how it breaks down step by step. First, not every page converts at some huge rate. Across all industries, the average landing page conversion rate is about 6.6%, so around 6 to 7 people out of 100 take the action. That means out of every 10 visitors who land on your simple page, a realistic starting point is about one person giving you their email, and if your freebie matches the exact problem, you might see closer to 2 out of 10. Next, the sale part. A realistic email to sale conversion for promotional emails is often in the 1% to 5% range. So 1 to 5 buyers out of 100 subscribers, depending on how warm the list is and how clear the offer is. When someone actually clicks inside an automated email, they are already showing strong intent, and some reports show that about 1 in 3 clickers can buy from automated messages. So the real goal of your follow-up is to earn clicks from the right people, not to assume every subscriber will purchase right away. So when you put it all together, a realistic goal for a simple, low-price digital product funnel is about 1 to 3 sales for every 100 visitors. When the right people land on your page and your follow-up is strong, that means 10 visitors might not equal a sale yet, and that is fine. It can look like this. From 100 visitors, you will get about 7 to 20 email signups and about 1 to 3 sales at $17 each. That is $17 to $51. Simple. Scaling that up looks like this. From 1,000 visitors, you will get about 70 to 200 opt-ins and about 10 to 30 sales. That's $117 to $510. And if your traffic is very warm and your offer is tight, you can push toward the higher end because email follow-ups do the warming up for you. These numbers are not random. They match what normal looks like online when you stop guessing and you start building a simple sales system. Your page does not need to be fancy. It just needs to solve one clear problem, which is exactly what your 3-day launch roadmap builds. Your job right now is not obsessing over traffic. Your job is having something to sell when traffic arrives, plus a follow-up that earns clicks. And here is the best part. Progress beats perfect every time. In week 1, you might get your first $17 and you learn what converts. In week 4, you might see between $68 and $117 because you've learned what works. In month 3, you are not hoping, you are measuring, and you scale what works without needing a complicated setup. So right now you have 2 paths in front of you. Path 1, stay stuck, watch more videos, make more notes, and wait to feel ready. Path 2, launch. Follow the exact 3-day roadmap I just explained. And the free training I mentioned earlier, that's your path 2. If you're watching this thinking, okay, I need this, go grab my free training called Save Big While Selling Digital Products with the Right Tools. Inside the training, I show you how to pick the right free and affordable tools, how to connect them into one simple system, and how to set up your first product so you can start selling. And you get my Lean Launch Toolkit Action Guide so you can take action fast. The link is below this video and in the pinned comment. And if you want support while you build so you do not feel alone, that is what you'll find inside Home Biz Builders. It's made for women starting from home on a micro budget, and it's built for real life. But start with the free training first. Build your first simple setup, then decide if you want the extra support. You do not need a big budget to start a real online business. You just need one simple product, one simple page, and one clear next step. Go watch the free training and take your first step today.